Hello friends, today we will install full version of Internet Download Manager Pro easily. So let's get started.
Usually, Internet Download Manager costs $24.95 for a lifetime license, but you can get the full version by clicking the link in the description. Don't worry about safety. All software is pre-tested, scanned with multiple antiviruses, and confirmed working by our community. Just go to the site, follow the instructions, and download the file. By the way, you'll find tons of other premium software available for free on the same site. Everything is working and tested for functionality before being posted. Just click on the site thumbnail to explore. Unzip the archive using the password from the site, and your IDM is ready to go. Now let me show you how amazing everything works. With Internet Download Manager, you get the ultimate downloading experience without any limitations. Everything works flawlessly, from accelerating downloads by up to 500% to resuming broken downloads and grabbing videos from any website. Here are the main advantages of IDM. 5x faster downloads. Uses dynamic segmentation to boost speeds up to 500%. Resume capability. Continue broken downloads from where they stopped, even after reboot. Video grabbing. Download videos from YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, and thousands of sites. Browser integration. Works with Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, and all major browsers. Schedule downloads. Set downloads for nighttime or when rates are cheaper. Queue processing. Organize downloads in categories and set priorities. Bandwidth control. Set speed limits to browse while downloading. Automatic virus checking. Scans completed downloads with your antivirus. Batch downloading. Grab entire playlists or all links from a web page. Zip preview. See what's inside archives before extracting. Drag and drop. Simply drag links to IDM to start downloading. Site grabber. Download entire websites for offline browsing. Proxy support. Download through firewalls and restricted networks. Best of all, this version is completely clean. No malware, no miners, just the full version working exactly like the official one. IDM also includes download categories with automatic file organization, multiple language support for worldwide users, download speed limiter per connection, FTP and HTTP protocol support, audio and video preview during download, customizable interface with different skins, command line support for automation, portable mode for USB usage, quick update feature for easy installation. You could use trial alternatives, but they're nowhere close. Free Download Manager has ads and slower speeds. JDownloader is complex and resource heavy. Browser built-in downloaders can't resume or accelerate. You get lax video downloading. Or pay $25 for IDM. Not expensive, but why pay when it's free here? Here's what makes IDM essential. Streaming uses data repeatedly. Downloading saves bandwidth. Videos disappear from platforms daily. Download to keep forever. Slow internet becomes bearable with 5x acceleration. Failed downloads cost time and data without resume capability. IDM solves all these problems, saving hours daily and reducing frustration. You can find IDM and other premium software on the site. Link in the pinned comment below. We update our collection weekly with EagleGet, Ninja Download Manager, Extreme Download Manager, and more download tools. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and ring the notification bell for new releases. Check out our other videos for more amazing software. Thanks for watching, and enjoy lightning-fast downloads with IDM.